Howdy, folks. Jeff here, and we're at Colorado Summit. And look who we snagged to talk with. This is Kelly. She's the campus president at Lincoln Technical College right here. And number one, we appreciate so much your partnership with ASA, but we appreciate the ability to come use this wonderful facility.
Well, thank you so much. We have a wonderful relationship with ASA, and we really enjoy being able to host this summit year after year.
Oh, it's been here several years already.
It has. It
Oh
has.
my gosh. And it was so interesting because you were talking with Catherine Buckley, who is the industry relationships, about connecting ASA with some more of these campuses around in the different regions.
Correct. So Lincoln Tech has 22 campuses across 14 states, and we have automotive programs sprinkled throughout the United States. And in particular, we were talking about our locations in Texas and Indiana, which would be also a great partnership for the ASA chapters there.
For the new regions.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
so I haven't been in one of these, and I came in here and I was impressed because you have 60 bays, and then we rolled these tool chests over here because the different programs have their own tool chests for the students to use. And right here, we're standing in front of a Hawkeye alignment machine. And the thing that's always concerned me is if you'll have the proper tools, you have the proper equipment to teach them with the new technologies, with the new stuff coming out. And we just recently did a video with this Hawkeye over at the Apex. And so to see it here, I'm impressed.
Well, thank you. Our auto lab is 43,000 square feet, 60 bays, as you mentioned. We spend a lot of time and effort and energy, and ASA plays a significant role in that because our faculty are also able to participate in the summit and attend the workshops, to also listen and learn about what is new and upcoming and happening in the industry. So in addition to the equipment that we have, we make sure that we have the tools on site so that our students don't have to drag their own tools to use while they're here on campus. So in addition to what we have in our lab here, we also have a number of trainers in our classrooms that our students are able to work on before they actually come out and are able to work on the vehicles as
and
well.
when you talk about the classrooms, because there's classrooms here, and there's actually classes going on right now, and there's another side over here which has like a huge lunchroom area, and there's all kinds of classes down the next hall. So this place is huge, and we appreciate being able to come over here and use this. But when we talk about your programs, you actually have a couple different programs: automotive, diesel, and what was the other one?
So we also offer welding, HVAC, and collision repair.
All right here?
All right here.
Oh my gosh.
In different parts of the building, not in the auto lab, but Lincoln Tech did a great job at the time. So we've been in this location 11 years. And when we were getting ready, we completely gutted and rebuilt this facility dedicated to automotive and skilled trades.
Oh my gosh. And this is the students that learn here will actually get spoiled because y'all have, this is a climate controlled air conditioner. I see the big heaters. We don't have our jackets on, and it was like 25 degrees outside. And you have the exhaust systems hanging down so they can actually run the vehicles and do the different deals. So when you mention that you're associated with ASA, you're also associated with ASE because you said they do the testing here?
Correct. So both our automotive and diesel programs are ASE NATEF certified, and our instructors are master certified technicians through them. And then we also offer our students the opportunity to take the ASE tests on site twice a year.
Twice a year. And so that's a big help to the community because it allows all of Denver to come over here and do their testing. So tell us a little bit more about the automotive program, because one of the things you said was you have different classes on the different types like brakes and suspensions.
Correct. So brakes, steering, and suspension. The students will start in a driving your performance class to learn about the industry, as well as a lot of the safety requirements that go into it. And then they will, as they move through, there's also electrical and advanced electrical. Our students are issued a laptop as part of their program because we know that the industry has moved to a lot more diagnostic and computerized evaluations of what is happening with the vehicles to be able to repair them. There's transmissions class, gas engines class that go along with the curriculum as well.
Oh my gosh, that's just amazing to hear that y'all are offering it. When you say computers, and it's like that's what a lot of the new technicians, the young folks, understand the computers. And so if we can get them in not being grease monkeys, they're learning how to diagnose the vehicles. That is such a help to the shops. So tell us, you're partnering with the ASA. Why is that so important to be partnering with an association in our industry?
So ASA does amazing work in moving the automotive industry forward. And the shop owners and the individuals who work there play a critical role in keeping the country running and our ability to move from here to there in our vehicles.
Well, like
And
right now with that pandemic, we were actually classified essential business.
correct. And so for us, it's critical that that knowledge is continuing to move forward, and for our faculty to know what the association is teaching, to have the relationships with the shop owners, especially for our graduates and our soon-to-be graduates, so that if they're interested in owning their own shop, they have an opportunity to be connected with someone who's in the industry, who's been there, done that, who can sort of pave the way for them and serve as a mentor.
Or else just getting into a shop.
Correct.
Because these shops, everybody's, technician shortage, technician shortage. And if you have 60 bays here, and I see just a bunch of toolboxes over there, you have quite a few students coming through here. And you were telling me how many students you have at the campus.
So right now, in all of our programs, we have just under 900 students.
900. So guys, if you're not getting connected with the Lincoln Techs in your area, and there was 17, you said, all around?
So we have 22 campuses
22.
In 14 states.
That's why I had the 17 from. So if you're not getting involved with them, then you're missing out on an opportunity to get ones into your shop. Now,
Correct.
Do y'all do any like mentorship program with the shops or apprenticeship?
We do. So the students have the ability to work part-time or full-time while they're in school, and we will help in our career services department manage that and set that up for them. Additionally, there are field trips and guest speakers that they can learn more about a particular shop and see what it's like, a day in the life or an hour in the life, so that they can continue to move in that direction and expand all of their horizons.
And that's a great deal because a lot of them are coming in. When you talk about shops, you have different environments and different types of vehicles that they work on and different management plans at the different shops. And you can go into one and go, oh my gosh, I don't want to do this. And you go to another one and the person really likes the computers and the diagnostics. You can find a shop that does that. If you just like engines, there's shops that do more engine work. There's shops, and you have an Audi sticker right over there. There's shops that do more European.
Correct. And so we really give them an opportunity to expand all of their knowledge base. So if they have something that they're really interested, and we'll ask them when they come in, do you particular manufacturer? And most of them say yes. But for those that don't, we give them the opportunity to explore all of those avenues. And then they have the opportunity to really get into something, the nitty gritty that they really enjoy, that they may not have had exposure to, even if they've been a car person all their lives.
Oh my gosh, that just you all have impressed me with what you're doing here and how you're reaching out to the industry, and then just to know that y'all believe in the involvement so much that you partner with ASA. I just appreciate so much you taking your time to share this and letting the viewers know a little bit more, because if they come to the summit, they can find out this, but they're not going to get the chance to talk to you because you're making sure everything is running right. So thank you for taking the time. Thank you for your participation and your sponsorship with ASA. We appreciate it. As always, I appreciate you watching.